Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the concept of trigonometry of grade 10. So trigonometry is applicable in a right angle triangle. So for making the concept clarity, let's draw a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle with this right angled at point B. Okay, so where A and C both are acute angles. So if we are considering the trigonometric ratio in the relation to acute angle A, then it means we are considering base as AB, perpendicular as BC, and hypotenuse as AC over here. Okay, the side opposite to the right angle is always hypotenuse. So here base is AB with us, perpendicular is BC, and hypotenuse is AC. Now we are having trigonometric ratios, that is sine of any angle. Suppose we had taken angle A as the measurement of theta, then cos of the angle, then tan of the angle, and we will be having after that ratios in relation to sine, cos and tan. So first of all, let's understand how to find out these ratios. So for understanding, we'll be having a very easy trick to remember this. For this, we will be remembering it by the trick Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. So for Pandit I had taken P, similarly for Badri I had taken B, for Prasad I had taken P, and Har Bole I had taken H and B as the first letter to remember this. So if we are just saying over here, so first is P by H, that is your sine of the angle. Next is B by H. B by H is cos of the angle. And next is P by B. So P by B is your tan of the angle, that is tan of theta. Now after that we will be having their reciprocals. So just like we will be having the reciprocal of sine is cosecant of the angle. So cosecant of angle is the reciprocal of sine of the angle. So if sine is P by H, so reciprocal of P by H is H by P, means hypotenuse upon perpendicular. And the reciprocal of cos is secant theta, and secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So cos theta was base upon hypotenuse. So reciprocal of base upon hypotenuse is hypotenuse upon base. Next is your cot of the angle, and cot of the angle is the reciprocal of tan of the angle. So tan of the angle we had find out, tan of the angle is perpendicular upon base. So the reciprocal of perpendicular upon base is base upon perpendicular. So I hope till here it is clear to you. Now next we will be having the identities. I will just show you all together. So we had discussed the how to find out sine theta, cos theta and tan theta from a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, AB is our base, BC is our perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse, because we are considering the angles in relation to point A. After that, I told you one trick that it is being remembered by just this trick Pandit Badri Prasad Har Bole. So your sine of angle is P upon H, that means perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then your B upon H, that is base upon height, is base upon hypotenuse is your cos of the angle. Then perpendicular upon base, that is your tan of the angle. Then the reciprocal of sine of the angle is your cosecant of the angle, that is your hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Reciprocal of cos of the angle is secant of the angle, that is hypotenuse upon base. And reciprocal of tan of the angle is cot of the angle, that is base upon perpendicular. After that we will be having identities in trigonometry. So first identity is your sine square theta upon sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So I will tell you how to make that identities also. So first identity with you is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You just remember one identity and we will make the rest of the identities from this only. So if this is your first identity, now let's make the second one. So just divide by sine square theta on both sides. So by dividing your sine square theta on both sides, just wait, let me set up this, by sine square theta on both sides. So if we divide by sine square theta on both sides, so we will be having sine square theta plus cos square theta, which gives you 1. So if I divide the entire part by sine square theta, what I will be getting over here? So sine square theta upon sine square theta will give you 1. Cos square theta upon sine square theta is cot of the theta. So that is cot square theta. And reciprocal of sine is cosecant of the angle, cosecant square theta. So we had made the second identity with this. Now let's make the third identity. Again take the identity as sine square theta plus cos square theta, which gives you 1. We will be making all the identities by using this. Now by dividing cos square theta on both sides. So by dividing cos square theta on both sides. If we divide by cos square theta, what we will be getting? Sine square theta upon cos square theta, cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cos square theta. So which give you sine upon cos will be tan. So tan square theta. Cos upon cos is 1 and 1 upon cos is secant. So that will give you secant square theta. So today we learn how to find out the trigonometric ratios and how to find the identities of sine square theta plus cos square theta and other identities in relation to that. So I hope you understood this concept very much. If you want to make clarity on other topics also, keep on watching my channel. Thank you very much for today.